Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article from Electric, and basically it's saying that BYD is offering free car insurance on select EVs in the new end of year sales promo. So, BYD is a well-known company in China, and they've been selling a lot of EVs. I think they're either number one or two. They're head-to-head with Tesla, and I think maybe they just want to, be on top of Tesla, so they're giving a lot of promotions, just like what Tesla is doing. So as we all know, Tesla every quarter they're offering like all kinds of incentive promotions where they want to get rid of the cars in the inventory, right, or just make more sales. So let's quickly go to Tesla website, and we can see here on top of the line right here, you can see that take delivery by December 31st to receive 3 free months of supercharging, right? And we know that Tesla also runs like the 0% APR as well too. And then as right now, if you take it by December 31st, you should get like 3 months of full self-driving as well too, supervised. So which is nice. I'm surprised that Tesla hasn't been more aggressive with their discount, because this time of year, 2 years ago, this was when I bought my Model Y, and they were giving 10,000 miles of free supercharging, and I can use that until 2 years, right? And which is, I think, it would come out to be equivalent, maybe like $500 to $800, but still, that's a pretty good deal. And right here now, back then I don't think they gave out like free trial for FSD yet, but here you can get both. I'm surprised. It's only supercharging is only 3 months. If they really want to push the sale, they should be going a little bit more heavier. So let's see in the inventory, see how, if they have a lot of cars, how maybe, unless they don't have a lot of cars in the inventory where they don't need to push out. But if they do, I think they should. Right? Makes sense, right? So this one right here, this is all the Model Y that they have. They have a lot more than when I bought my car. So actually, because like when I bought my car, it was like when it gets on the inventory, it gets sold. It gets on it and it gets sold, So it's like a waiting game, like so happy, excited, to get the car. And then after like 3 weeks, I was so disappointed. But yeah, going back to BYD, this is what they're offering. So right now they're offering free insurance. I don't know if it's for a year. It didn't tell you for how long, but that's what they're doing. So let's go over this article. So China's EV leader wants to close the year strong with a new sales promotion. BYD is now offering free car insurance on certain EVs ahead of the upcoming Chinese New Year. Will it be enough to take the global EV sales crown in 2024? It's hard to say because we're still waiting on Tesla's number. BYD offers free insurance on some EVs to boost sales. With a record of 506,804 NEVs sold in November, BYD has now had 2 straight months with over 500,000 vehicles in sales. That's a lot of vehicles. A lot, like for example, GM, Ford over here, they sell like in, nowhere near that number, like, right? So this is the only competition that Tesla actually sees is BYD, right? And they're making crazy, nice looking vehicles at an affordable price. So the EV giant has no plans to slow down. On Thursday, BYD announced its latest New Year Go New Car sales promotion on its Weibo page. From today, December 26, 2024, through January 26, 2025, BYD is offering free car insurance on select PHEVs and EVs in its Oceans and Dynasty lineups. The promo includes several top-selling EVs, including the Dolphins, the Seal, and the Sea Line 7. Through the first 11 months of 2024, BYD sold nearly 3.7 million NEVs, including 1.5 million all-electric models. The promo comes as BYD is in a tight race with Tesla for the global EV sales crown for 2024. So as you can see from the lineup, they do have a lot of vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if they have like 7 different models, that they're gonna cover a vast majority of consumers out there. If you're on a budget, okay, you don't have to get the high end one. You can get like this one right here, what costs about $10,000. You know what I mean? But then you're still going green. Just right. So through September, Tesla delivered 1.3 million EVs compared to BYD 1.17 million. Since Tesla doesn't report monthly sales numbers, we will have to wait until the end of year numbers come out to determine who will take the EV sales crown in 2024. So as you can see right here, this is a small compact vehicle. This could maybe look like a Corolla, more like Corolla or the Echo of a Toyota back in the days. The Seagull EVs, BYD's cheapest electric car, starting under $10,000. Once again, China's best-selling vehicles. Last month, after topping the Tesla Model Y, BYD has sold 56,156 Seagull EVs last month alone in China. So alone in China means that they do sell it internationally too. So that number hasn't been given. Although the global EV sales race between BYD and Tesla is heating up into the end of the year, the Chinese EV leader is quickly outselling some of the largest global automakers. So BYD has sold more vehicles globally than Nissan and Honda in the third quarter, and it is now closing in on Ford. So if you guys have been following the news, Honda and Nissan and Mitsubishi, they are forming up a partnership or into a one-car company. In my opinion, these two cars company, they are behind on the EVs, and they haven't come up with any new design of their own vehicles. Nothing really stands out. Nissan back in 2003, when they came out with Infinity, which is their luxury brand, it took the car of the year, but that car still looks nice, still sounds nice when you see it on the road. I remember I had a 2003 Infinity D35 Coupe. It was beautiful, I have to say. But ever since then, like these two companies, I don't know whether they put a lot of time and energy into research and development and making new design, or whoever designed the vehicles, ugly. So they need to fire those people, But in my opinion, you're forming these two, they'll become like the third largest manufacturer or automaker. So I don't think that's a good idea in my opinion, but it is what it is, right? So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, so with the Tesla wise, if you're using my referral code, you can save up to $2,000, which I leave it in the description section. So you guys more than welcome to use it. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. But other than that, be safe. Till next time.